Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Thanks for watching again. Like always, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, get notified whenever I do a new video. So those of you who've been watching, we've been on the hunt for a new truck. We got a new truck. Now it's time for, or new to me truck, I guess, used truck, but now it's time to clean it up, make it ready for myself, the way I like things. So I just kind of threw some tools in the other day, did a shakedown run, just one little simple job, went and pulled a transmission out of a yarder for a customer. And so now what I'm showing you in this video is how to put drawer liners in. So it works out pretty good if you want to put a drawer liner in, especially if you've been doing it for a while and you've got dirty drawers and you need to clean them up. So anyways, that's what I'm doing. Follow along with the video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. So I just grabbed a randomness of what I could get out of Sasquatch and threw in here the other day for a quick job, but you can see this is, you know, how many different ways we put liners in our drawers. Oil absorbent pads, they're always good, they work just fine, but you got to change them out all the time because they get nasty and they get, you know, start getting watered up and whatnot, things like that. But I just threw them in here temporarily when I this is that perforated mesh style. But what I like to use, I'm going to show you, is so the drawer liners from Harbor Freight. Can't go wrong, they're cheap, plus you get your free light with every purchase. I'm a huge advocate for that. Every time you go to Harbor Freight for anything, make sure you get your free magnetic light. It's cheaper than putting batteries in one, and then when you leave it on a machine, it don't matter. So, but pull your liner out and use your razor blade. So once you spray down, clean it up with a bunch of brake clean, take your razor blade and just scrape all the old glue off of these drawers. You can see it comes up pretty good, pretty easily, and pretty clean. So just take some spray adhesive. You're going to coat the inside of your drawer. So once you get it all coated in there, let it just kind of get a little bit tacky. Don't wait too long, but just enough to get it kind of tacky, but you still want it kind of pliable so that when you lay this down, you'll see we'll start moving it around. Okay, so I already pre-cut this piece here that we're going to use. But basically you just lay it down, you get a rough cut in there as to what you need, and then you're gonna slide this in and you're gonna push it clear to the back in the door to the back. You're gonna work all your bubbles out that you can. Get it shoved down in there. You may have to add some more adhesive as you go. So just work it in there. One of the things I like about this stuff is that it is pliable, is flexible, but the mesh doesn't. The mesh style collects dirt and debris and all that stuff. Isn't as easily cleanable as this. Once you put this in, you're going to be able to clean it as you go. So if you want to, say, move a drawer around, maybe you want to change out how you lay out your drawers, you can lay this one, you know, you can move it around. And then if you need to peel it up because it gets too much oil on it or something like that, you peel it up and do the same thing. You just redo it, but generally speaking, this holds up better, I've found, than the mesh style. So alright, so once you got that laid in there, nice and tucked in, just grab your razor blade, find that corner, that seam, and just run it right down. Throw away your excess, and there you go. Nice drawer lined shop trick liner.